Let's look at some linking phrases now in this video. A linking phrase is something that will give your conversation or sentence a little more substance, and it will help keep it moving along. For example, this first phrase here, Níl rud ar bith níos massa. There's nothing worse. Níl rud ar bith níos massa. So that could be a useful phrase to use at the end of a conversation or a sentence, depending on the context which preceded it, of course. Our next phrase then is ina dhiaidh sin. Ina dhiaidh sin, which means afterwards or after that. Ina dhiaidh sin. An lá ina dhiaidh sin means the day after that. An lá ina dhiaidh sin. And ní fada ina dhiaidh sin means not long afterwards, or not long after that. Ní fada ina dhiaidh sin. Our next linking phrase is go tobann. Go tobann means suddenly, or all of a sudden. Go tobann. Ri sé lum go tobann. It came to me suddenly. Ri sé lum go tobann. Our next linking phrase is ar an drochuair. Ar an drochuair means unfortunately. Ar an drochuair. Mar hampla. Ar an drochuair domsa, bhí mé roiénach. Unfortunately for me, I was too late. Ar an drochuair domsa, bhí mé roiénach. And finally, we have our last phrase, which is ar deireadh. Ar deireadh means finally. Ar deireadh. You could also use the words faoi deireadh, which is eventually. Very similar. Faoi deireadh. But ar deireadh is finally. Tháinig an lá ar deireadh. The day finally came. Tháinig an lá ar deireadh. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more great videos just like this. Thanks for watching, agus slán go fóill.